Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Fikro Khabar. You are watching Islamic World Today. Four Arab leaders deposed by popular protest this year, 2020, to see future unfold in Sudan, Algeria, Iraq, and Lebanon, nations where protesters are determined to push genuine reform. Despite issues, Turkish military bases still key for US. Though Turkey recently warned it could close bases to US, and US will be hard pressed to let them go. Turkish military plane arrives to evacuate Somalia bomb victims. Aircraft also brought doctors to treat someone 25 people injured in Saturday blast. Syria regime must halt escalation of violence. EU. Violence has intensified since mid-December despite on August ceasefire deal with international call for de-escalation. Missile attack kills 10 at military period in Yemen's south. At least 21 people including civilians were wounded in the blast. Bus carrying workers crash in Egypt, 18 killed. Workers on bus were en route to textile plant in northern port Sirte city. Libya's largest oil refinery faces closure amid clashes. Three bombs hit close to oil storage tank in past 48 hours in Zawiya port, says NOC Oil Company. US bomb slams China for treatment of Muslim Uyghurs. He accuses Chinese Communist Party of attempting to erase its own citizens' faiths and cultures. Philippines. Death toll from typhoon claims to 41. 28 people also injured while dozens still missing, says state-run media. Taliban attack kills 17 militia in northern Afghanistan. Attack apparently targeted local militia commander who escaped unharmed. Pakistan urges OIC to raise voice for Indian Muslims. OIC should gather foreign minister to raise effective voice against new Indian citizenship law. India and Pakistan border in Kashmir laced with blood. Originally meant to be temporary, de facto border of Kashmir, symbol of painful history dividing families. You can find latest and lot more on fikrokhbar.com/English.